In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email and text message templates in GoHighLevel. Let's start from your main GoHighLevel dashboard, often called the Launchpad. Once you're logged in and you see your location dashboard, look for the section or menu labeled Launchpad if you're not already there. This is your starting point for most of the core tools inside the platform. From the Launchpad, move your cursor to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all of your campaigns, emails, and related assets. When the marketing section opens, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Emails. This takes you into the area where you manage your email campaigns and templates. At the top of this page, you'll see a tab called Templates. Click on that. This is where all your saved email templates will live. To create a new one, find and click the Create Template button. As soon as you do that, GoHighLevel will ask you to choose an editor. You'll see three options: Design Editor, Code Editor, and Plain Text Editor. In most cases, the Design Editor is the best choice because it lets you drag and drop elements without needing any code. Once you've selected your editor, you'll see a panel of elements on the left-hand side of the screen. These might include text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and more. Simply click and drag any element you need onto the main canvas to build your email layout. Take your time arranging these pieces so the email looks clean and easy to read. At the top of the page, you'll see a small pen or pencil icon. Click that to rename your template to something descriptive, like Welcome Sequence Email 1 or Monthly Newsletter. A clear name makes it much easier to find later. As you build, you can click Preview at the top to see what your email will look like for your recipients, either while you're working or once you're done. When you're happy with everything, click Save Template and then click Back to return to the main templates area. Now let's create text message templates, which GoHighLevel calls snippets. From the same marketing area, click on Snippets. Then choose New Snippet and select Add Text Snippet. First, type in a name for your snippet so you can recognize it easily later. For example, appointment reminder or follow-up text. Next, click into the main body area of the snippet and type the text message you want to reuse. This might be something like a reminder, a confirmation, or a quick promotional message. If you need to include a file or link, click into the field that lets you add a file through a URL and paste in the link there, so it's included in your snippet. You'll also see a field labeled for testing the snippet. Click into the test snippet field and enter a phone number where you'd like to send a test message. This is a great way to double check how long the message feels and whether any links look correct before using it with real contacts. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Save. Your text snippet is now ready to be used in your workflows, campaigns, and manual messages.